my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually having a different type of video. As you can see from the background, it's giving a different kind of vibe. I'm actually recording from my new iPhone 15 phone. I wanted to see the quality for this video. This is not an unboxing of a bag or anything like that. This is just a little bit different. I wanted it to be a little bit laid back, and if you can guess the theme, let me know, because there's a theme going on here. So I wanted to share what I've been obsessed with lately. Well, I've been obsessed with this for about 3 years. So if you guys don't already know, I have a Shiba Inu. His name is Hachi. Hachi boy, Hachi is my Shiba Inu. I've had him for 3 years and I am obsessed with him. I'm obsessed with his breed. So again, if I'm obsessed with something, I need to have it. As you can see from the background, I got this from HomeGoods. This is a Shiba Inu blanket. Got this from HomeGoods as well, or TJ Maxx. It's a Shiba Inu. So today's video is actually about Shiba Inu merch that I've been purchasing. I just wanted to see if you guys were interested in this video, if you guys like these type of videos, little spontaneous things. Let me know in the comment section down below. Without further ado, let's just get started to this haul. Okay, so before we start, let me just share another item that I've shared on this channel before. I have purchased this Shiba Inu Gucci hat. I got this a while back, and then I also had purchased the shoes, the sandals to go with it. So let me just wear this real quick. I know it looks a little weird on camera, but it's fine. So I got this hat, again representing my Shiba Inu gang, because I am obsessed with my dog. If you guys don't know, I love animals. I love dogs, cats, any animal. I get very, very attached. I am the doggy godmother. If you guys know, you know. So I had to get this. This is actually from Pikarar or Pikarar. This is her merch. So Pikarar, I hope I'm saying it correctly, or Pikar. She actually collaborated with Gucci on this hat and like some other items that I couldn't get my hands on, but she actually collaborated with them. And she also has her own Instagram like little shop that she posts spontaneous. She would sell certain things for a small amount of time because it comes out in small batches, and she does collaborations with other brands. I wanted something from her brand. This is how my bag came. It has the little Shiba Inu with the knife. It has the Shiba Inu. So I do actually have a phone case. She did it not a collaboration, I guess it's a collaboration with Caseify, and I recently got this one. So yeah, my phone case has a Shiba Inu, my clothes have Shiba Inu, my home decor has Shiba Inu. I'm Shiba Inu'd out. I even have a fox up here. It's not a Shiba, but it's a fox. Because they always say that Hachi looks like a fox, so I needed to get a fox to represent my dog. So anyway, this is again how it looks like. It has a bunch of little cute things. Am I gonna throw this away? Probably not, just because it's so cute. So this is a true unboxing. So let's just open this together. And the lighting's weird. It's because I don't have my ring light on. I have a different light on. So again, this is a spontaneous little unboxing that I'm doing with you guys today. So I have all the items are out of here. So the first thing I see here is this little baggie. Oh, it has like a little cute sticker on it. I'm gonna take this out. And in here I have my stickers that I purchased. The first thing I see is this: have a nice day or else. Thank you so much for your supporting my art. Cute angry dogs at Pikarars.com. So this is the first thing that came in this little bag. And then it's a sticker. I don't think so, but I'm gonna save it anyway. I like saving things like this. So it also came with this little card. Again, I'm saving this for myself. This is where I ordered it from. These are the stickers. So I got this astronaut Shiba Inu. Gorgeous. I'm going to be placing this in on my laptop case. Yeah. I got this have a nice day or else honey and butter little Shiba Inu. See, it looks like this one, but it's different. This is, oh, This one's from TJ Maxx. It is a cup new. How cute is that? This is so cute. And then that is it. It came with like a little cardboard for everything to stay in there. So that is my stickers. Now the big item that I got is this sweater. So I love Shibas. I think I said Shibas so many times in this video. I don't have actual like clothing of it. I just have like the hat and the shoes. I bought my fiance like Shiba Inu like shirts like for like Father's Day. I bought him like a Shiba Inu shirt from Amazon. I made a custom one of our dog, and then I think he only has two. So this is my first one, and this is gonna match perfectly with my hat. I will wear all this together. Like, don't play me. Like, I will wear everything together. And this is what I got. Oh, I'm gonna throw this away before Hachi eats it. So I got this in the size large, but I think I should have got a medium because it looks a little big. So I think this will be fine. This is how the back looks like. So cute. It has like, you know, it's a little game when you're picking the dog. So cute. And then it has her name on the bottom right here. This is Hachi. Just kidding. In my mind, it's Hachi. And then in the front, it has the Shiba Inus. It has the white Shiba Inu, the like red color, and the dark. To me, that's kind of like the black one, but it's kind of giving me a little sesame as well. So if you guys don't know, Shiba Inus have like 4 different color coats. I have the red one, which is like the most not basic, like the most like common one is the red hair. It has the white hair as well. There's a black Shiba Inu, and then the one that's more rare is the sesame Shiba Inu. That one's like a mixture of like a brownish sesame black color. Those are pretty rare to find. So yeah, just a little fun fact for the day. So this is what I got. I got me a hoodie. I'm going to be wearing this for winter when it comes around, which winter isn't coming around anytime soon, but I'm prepared. It also has Pikarar on here. Pikarar. And then it has the size right here. So I did get a large. It might be a little too big. I think like a men's large, but I don't mind wearing this with some tights and then my sneakers, and then we're good to go. So yeah, this is what I got. I just really like the back detail. Like, it's just so cute. Like, can you guys see it? I don't know. Just looks so freaking cute. So yeah, guys, I think that is it. I don't know what else to share with you guys. I have a bunch of Shiba Inu stuff, but the only ones I can share with you guys right now are just these things. I also have Shiba Inu wrapping paper for Christmas. It has Shiba Inus and other dogs on it. Yeah, like, I'm obsessed with my dog. That is my only kid. He is like my child, and I will forever be a Shiba Inu merch mama. So yeah, guys, that is it. I will be having an unboxing of a new arrival the next weeks. I have to make sure that the bag is actually coming from Japan, I think. I'm not too sure. I know it's coming out from a different country. I got this bag for a very, very great deal. I'm going to share all the information with you guys when it comes in. I'm very excited. And without further ado, that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.